Hello guys, if you want to see how this delicious moimoi was made, watch this video to the end. First of all, you pick your beans and soak it in water for like 5 minutes to enable it to peel off easily. And then you put your egg in fire and add little salt. And these are the peppers and onion I'll be using. After it has soaked, you use the lowest speed of your blender to pulse the beans. And this doesn't take long at all, about a few seconds, and you continue the process until you are done with the entire beans. Here I washed quite a large quantity because I'm going to be storing it in the freezer for future use, like maybe in few days time, and I may decide to do moimoi again. I won't need to start peeling the beans all over again. After you finished, you will drain out the chaff from the beans by just pouring water over it and straining the top water from the beans. You will continue this process until your beans is well clean. And while you're at it, you can just use your hands to rub it a little to remove the stubborn ones that will refuse to cooperate, and then you continue until you are done. So with this procedure, you can make your moimoi anytime by prepping it and keeping it in your refrigerator to use the next day, for instance, or in your freezer if you are going to use it after some weeks. You can just bring it out from your freezer and use it for your moimoi or for your akara, and you're good to go without stress. This process just makes the whole work easy. Then you still strain with your hands in case there's any stone in it or sand, just to be sure. Then you leave it to soak in water for about 15 minutes. And these are the eggs. By adding the salt to the water, it makes the back of the egg, the shell of the egg rather, to peel off easily, though you'll have kept it in cold water for some minutes before you do this. Here are the eggs. Then you clean up the leaves by giving it a good rinse to remove any sand or particles on the leaves. Then you blend it in batches. You wouldn't want to load your blender with too much beans, if not it will be difficult to blend, and you add little water to aid the beans to blend easily. Blend until you are done with the entire beans or the quantity you want. And this is my little hack to avoid water entering the moimoi from the leaves, since I don't have a steamer. This is the moimoi already blended with my peppers and onions. I just added 1 cup of oil to it to achieve a fluffy texture, and this is my seasoning, which I diluted with hot water, and I just added 2 tablespoons of crayfish and I'll mix. I don't need to add extra water here because this is the consistency that I'm going for. It's supposed to be a bit thick so it won't run out through the leaves. Then you cut out the stem from the leaf and fold the leaf into a cone shape and bend it backward. Pour in your moimoi paste and seal it up, and then you place it in your pot. You do the same for the other one. Here you have it, guys. You cook it for about 40 minutes and your moimoi is ready, looking yummy and very delicious. Give this a try, guys, and you will love it. And the aroma in my kitchen this day was so nice and inviting. Just give this a try and leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.